in that affectionately known as jug, P-47.
Top again, we have the beautiful P-51s. The B-25 medium bomber, one of America's most famous airplanes in World War II.
Subsequent B-25 saw duty in every combat area, being flown by the Dutch, British, Chinese, Russians, and Australians.
In addition to U.S. forces, although the airplane was originally intended for level bombing from medium altitudes, it was used extensively in the Pacific theater for bombing. P-47 Thunderbolt, World War II era fighter aircraft, made by Republic Navy.
B-25, for that distinctive sound.
Packard, the license of the Packard Berlin Royce engines on the P-51s high above, and then the Thunderbolt coming in over your left shoulder.
R-2800 Watt 18-cylinder radial. Over your left shoulder now, under the P-51s, those two bright radials, 1,700 horsepower each, pulling that B-25 through the sky.
Bernie Vasquez giving us
7. P for pursuit during the Second World War.
Now, of course, designations for the fighters, for the Air Force, F. And the President announced this week the F-47.
Oh. Well, listen, if the conditions are right, we might hear the music that they make along with the engine and the strafing. I think I'm going to need a new pair of pants. I wasn't ready for that one.
You do get a chance to hear the whistle, especially as it climbs and the angle of attack changes the wind.
Actually creates a little bit of thrust out the back. It was like a jet engine before its time. Some of the technology that went into these amazing
designs, the B-51 so successful, started as an RAF request for a high-altitude interceptor, and the Packard, not the Packard.
Alan, Rocky, and Chris Reeder doing a terrific job of demonstrating these aircraft for us, respectfully flying again.
There's the sound of all that air underneath, and of course the music of the gun ports. Never mind, that's the Mustangs returning first. They did a quick turnaround there. Chris Reeder and Alan Rocky.
Look at it all shined up. Beautifully restored.
He has his hands full. No pressure, Cookie. So now we've got Alan and Chris down. Ah, look at Bernie dropping down. He's going to give us another zoomie in the P-47. He's got the speed.